I'm Shukri Hashi and I'm Shukri Hashi of Shukri Hashi Bridal. I design Somali wedding dresses using the Hido Dhaqan print on different fabrics to create beautiful wedding gowns for the more modern bride. I have a fashion background, I've studied fashion, and it's something that I wanted to do for a long time. I wanted to do something for my community, change around, give young brides in our community, Western brides, something that will look beautiful and westernized while keeping in contact with their heritage. It's given me the opportunity to give a Somali bride something that she could, instead of just wearing a white dress from the shop, which is not something to do with their culture, giving her the opportunity to wear what a white dress offers, but with our heritage, which is the Hido Dhaqan print. Do your research. Find out, one, if it's a viable business, and two, gain knowledge in the industry in which you want to start a business. It's not easy, but if you don't, knowledge is power. If there's anything that I've learned starting my own business, knowledge is power. If you don't understand, if you don't educate yourself, you're setting yourself up for a fail. Also, you can look at somalistudies.com. Thank you.